Guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you all about object methods. So here actually I will show you three important object methods, and in my last few videos I had shown the string and number methods. If you haven't those videos, just go to description. I will provide the playlist link. You can check all those videos. And in below I have noted down three important object methods. First is Object.assign, second is Object.keys, and the third is Object.values. And here I have written the definition of those three methods. You can read those definition. By the way, I will explain each methods one by one. So first I will explain Object.assign method, the syntax and what is the purpose of use. So I will go to the HTML file. Here you can see I have created two objects, Object1 and Object2, and I have added some properties and values, first name, last name and age, and the values here you can see. And here I have changed the properties name little bit. Here if name 1, last name 1 and age 1. Okay, and the values also I changed. Now here the syntax, object, okay, this one you have to write like this way. O will be the capital and you have to write object, then dot assign, and inside this parenthesis you have to pass those object, which object you want to apply that method. So here I want to apply for this Object1 and Object2. So I have written Object1 comma Object2. You have to write using comma separator. So what this method does? So this method just merge multiple object. So here I want to merge Object1 and Object2. So I have written Object1 comma Object2. Now let's see the output first of all. So here you can see it merged, right? F name, L name and age. Again F name 1, L name 1 and the age 1 also. If I expand you can see here. Okay, so it's merged those two objects. If you want to merge another object, so just simply you have to write object name using comma separator. Suppose Object3, so you have to write like this way. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now the another thing I want to show, here property name are not same. Here F name 1 but here F name. But if I write same property name, what it will happen? Let's see. So if I write the same properties name, so here it will take the last object. It won't merge with the first one. Okay. If it would be a 3 objects for you, so it would take the last one only. Means which object name you will pass in the last, so that one it will take only. Okay. Here I don't have the Object3, so I will take example of Object1 and Object2. So for this case, it will take only that properties and values. So I will save and I will show you. Here you can see F name John, L name Doe and age 24, means it is taking from the last object, means Object2. I hope guys it is clear. Now I will show you this Object.keys method, the syntax and what is the purpose of use Object.key methods. Now I will go to the HTML file. So here you can see I have changed the syntax for Object.keys method. Okay, so this is the syntax, object then dot keys, and for which object you want to apply, that object name. So I want to apply for Object1, so I have written Object1. So what it does, here we call those properties name. You can call them key name as well. So if you write Object.keys and object name, then all properties you can see as an array format. So output will be all properties name as an array. You can see here the output, F name, L name, age. Okay, so those property name you are getting as an array. So this is the purpose of use. Here you can use multiple thing, like you can check like F name is there in the array or not, L name is there array or not. So for multiple purpose you can convert your object key into an array. Now I will go to the text file, and here you can see the last one is Object.values. So it is similar like Object.keys method, just only one difference. So I will show you. Here simply instead of keys you have to write values, and we know those are the values. Just same thing, but here you will get values and array. See, you will get all those values as an array format. So this is the difference between Object.keys and Object.values. So hope guys you have understood. If you have still any confusion, you can write in the comment section. I will try to explain Always if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video. Also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.